Hi, I'm Anne, and in this presentation, I'm going to talk about messaging app advertising. I will discuss three areas, which are the rise of messaging app advertising, the potential application of the trend, and its future impact on business landscape. First, why should marketers focus on messaging app? In 2018, the average time an adult spent on mobile device 215 minutes a day, which is more than ever before. 90% of the time devoted to mobile app. And with more than 6 billion of user messaging apps start to overcome social media to become the most used application on a mobile device. Considering how social media used to be the top trend in marketing, the future of messaging app advertising is only become more and more promising. However, with the massive amount of messaging apps that are used all over the world, it is impossible for business to run advertising campaign in all of those. Therefore, most marketers only focus on the top 4 popular apps, which are WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, WeChat, and Line. These 4 app users make up to half of the planet population, which are 4 billion users. That is a huge audience for any business. There are many approaches that marketers can employ when using messaging app advertising. They can have audio autoplay video apps displayed directly on a user timeline. They can send out pop-up advertising messages. They can set up chatbot or have real employees to manage messaging accounts for customer service. They can even collab with popular messaging apps to launch their games and events to promote their brand. And I should say, messaging app advertising can help brand build relationship with customer, raise brand awareness, lower the advertising costs comparing to the traditional television ads ensemble, and turn visitor to buyer. Nike and WeChat's collaboration in 2013 is one of examples of successful messaging app advertising. Nike launched out a game event exclusively on WeChat, where customers can scan QR codes and follow WeChat's voice messaging function instruction to looking out for a price. This campaign became a huge success and yes, brand of Nike toward a Chinese audience. As messaging app have many advantages, such as they have many users, high frequency of use. The user usually have strong emotional connection with the app and is find the app very convenient to you. The only change in the futures of marketing app advertising trend is that it's becoming more and more potential. However, brands still have to consider what segments of customer will react the most positive toward the trend. Young adults should be their focus as they have a frequently present on messaging app, and they also appreciate online connections a lot, which let them less likely to completely switch to a different messaging app or completely stop using them to avoid the ads. Industry-wise, messaging app advertising will have the most effect on small and medium business as they want to find a way to promote their brands at the lowest cost. Game industry and fashion industry would be the more affected as well, as they is now the more present on social media. They are more likely to employ messaging app advertising as their marketing strategy. Finally, to maintain high competition advantages, business should try to do research and find a suitable advertising campaign for each type of messaging app, as any of them are very different. They should also let the customer the right to choose whether they should want to see the ads or not. And finally, they should really look into how to advance their technology, especially for business who employ chatbot as one of their methods, as nothing can make a customer more attract to the brand than a natural speaking, which give out human feeling chatbot. That's in my presentation. Thank you for listening.